Welcome back, traders. In this video I'm going to be doing a multi-time frame analysis on Ethereum, and we're going to see should you buy or sell going off price action. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing any fundamentals, but let's just get straight into it. I want to keep this nice, short and sweet for you guys. Okay, so looking at the monthly time frame, we can see we're in overall a buy, and then how we know how to draw market structure, we can see that we're in overall a buy also. Okay, because of this key level. Until this key level gets taken out, guys, we are still in a buy. And what do I mean by getting taken out? I need it to break and close past this key level. Okay, so until that happens, I'm still in a buy. But things to look out for is that we have price breaking this minor structure level, okay, and also breaking a trend line. Okay, so we have two negatives, and we also have a potential third negative by this pull back, okay, into our minor level. Okay, if this breaks and closes, there's a good chance that we're going to continue going up. But if it breaks and closes beneath this level, there's a good chance we're going to be selling off back to our weekly double bottom level. Okay, so the monthly I'm in a buy, but we do have negatives that you need to look out for. And now looking at the weekly, I have marked this up already. We can see that we are in a Fibonacci short, okay, and we're rejecting it pretty nice, to be honest. But why are we in a short? Because we broke this key level. As soon as we broke this key level, we flipped back into sells, and now we're pulling back to a minor structure Fibonacci short, okay, and it's definitely looking like it's nicely rejecting it. We've had candle closes below, respecting our level. And we've had a momentum candle, which is this candle, which does signify that price is going to continue going down. Now, things to look out for in 2 days, 16 hours. If we do break past this low, it's going to be a good chance we're going to come all the way back round to our minus 27 level, potentially even the minus 62 level, before we can start seeing if there's going to be reversals. But we're not going to predict it. We're in the sells. Okay. So that is the weekly. The daily, okay, we are in sells also. Okay, we do have sort of a minor structure break on the trend line, flipping back into sells, and we can see that price is closing, respecting all this area. Okay, so I'm definitely sells on the daily, and we can also, let me just get rid of some of these boxes to make it a bit cleaner for you. We can see that we are in a pullback again. So price has pulled back into another Fibonacci short on the daily in confluence with our weekly. So now we're just waiting to see what happens. Can price break past these key level? Okay, flipping back into sells. Even though we are in overall sells, I'm just talking about minor structure levels here. And now let's go to the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, what am I seeing on that? To me, it is actually in a buy, okay? So we were in sells. I'll read it for you from right to left. If we're looking at this, we can see that price did not close past this level, so there's no key level change. So our key level stayed at here, okay? Until this gets a break and close, I'm still in buys on the 4 hour. Yeah, and I'm still in buys on the 4 hour. So we're going to wait, see how it plays out. You know, we can have a short-term trend, but I want the daily to be in confluence with the 4 hour, to be honest, before I look for any trading opportunities. And now let's look on the 1 hour. So the 1 hour to me is, if we have a break and close in 51 minutes, we're going to flip back into buys. But for now, we are in sells, okay, because we're in a double top level, and until this gets a break and close, I'm going to be looking for sells only. But now we're building up some confidence for the 4 hour, okay, for a short-term trading opportunity would be good if you have a break and close, and then we can scale down on the lower time frame to see how it's reacting as well. On the 30-minute time frame, what am I seeing? So price needs to break past this high to flip back into buys on the 30-minute. And until it does that, I'm still in sells, but it's looking good for potentially going to do that. So yeah, I'm in sells on the 30-minute until this key level gets taken out, and for great confidence for trending down, we want this low to get broken to go into shorts. The 15 minutes, what is the 15-minute doing? So the 15-minute for me is in a buy, okay? So I'm seeing this fib long. It didn't perfectly pull back into it, but we did respect this order block here. Now I see these boxes getting a bit too much. Let me clear that up for you again. So yeah, I'm in a 50-minute buy, which is good confidence for our 1 hour and 4 hour, because we had a break and close above this level. Okay, we were in sells until this got a broke and close above. Okay, so now we flip back into buys. So that's the 15-minute. The 5-minute, let's have a look on the 5-minute. Okay, so the key level is the exact same as the 15-minute. We can see that price. Okay, I've just made a mistake on that actually from reading it all the way from here. You should always read from right to left. I still make these mistakes. I just don't execute with a mistake. Okay, so I always double check. So reading it from right to left, we can see that price is actually in a sells because we broke this high. So when we broke and closed past this high, we changed the double bottom level from the last lower high, higher high to here. Okay, I hope I explained that well. I'm still trying to get better explaining, because that's not my speciality, but I'm gonna get better. So yeah, we're definitely in a sell until this key level gets a break and close above. On the 5-minute, and now let's even do the 1 minute just so you guys can understand how I draw my key levels. So from me looking at this, we flip back, we're in a buy here, and our most recent double bottom level is here. Okay, so we're in a buy on the 1 minute. I hope you guys enjoy my multi-time frame analysis. I hope you learned something. I hope it's easier for me to break it down and actually, you know, for you guys to digest this information, because I'm not the best at explaining, but I'm going to keep improving. So yes, I hope you enjoy. I'm going to leave another video of my Bitcoin analysis right above me, and thank you for watching, and peace.